and welcome to Xpin. We have a special attack today. It's gonna be a fun one, so let's check out a replay. Okay, so this one has no expos, but it's a ring base. We are going to do a golem avalanche. So the air defenses are not gonna affect my healers, so I'm gonna make my queen walk this way to hit the queen. We're gonna meet up right here where the cannon is, funnel using the baby dragon to take these buildings out, and we're gonna walk counterclockwise this way. So let's check it out. The funnel has been created with the baby dragon, so the queen is walking in the correct direction, and now the golems are gonna tank and they're gonna walk right in. I usually put my third golem where the rest of my kill squad is gonna meet, so I put him in the corner right there. I can see how he's gonna meet with everybody else, and they usually use wall breaks to get in. So the first one's gonna be a jump, the second one is gonna be a wall break, and then now you just trinkle the wizards. See how they're just walking. And three golems are pretty strong. So now it's just me, funneling all my wizards. Alright, you guys, that was a very neat attack. I will see you in the next war.